Welcome back to this video. In today's video, I will show you on how to reset TikTok password if you forgot it. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your TikTok account. So I'm going to simply look for my TikTok app right here. So I'm going to simply click on here to open my TikTok app. So just like so, after you open up your TikTok app, next thing you need to do is to simply click on profile icon down below right here. It take you right here. It will ask you to log in to your TikTok account. So right here, I'm going to click on use phone or email or username. So I'm going to click on that just like so. Then the next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on email or username. Just like so. Then I'm going to enter my username right here. Just like so. The next thing I'm going to do is simply click on continue. Then right here, I will simply click on forgot password. Then right here, it will ask me reset password with phone number or email address. So I will simply choose phone number. Then right here, I would have to enter my phone number right here. So I'm going to simply enter my phone number straight up. Then I'll click on continue. Then I'll simply copy the code. Then I'll make sure I click on hold down, paste the code. Then right here, I will need to enter a new password. Having entered a new password, next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on continue. So I can simply go back to my profile simple and click on here. And I will be taken back to my TikTok account, just like what you see right here. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to reset your TikTok password if you forgot it. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like. And also, remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.